Hello friends, hello guys, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new USDT cloud mining platform where you can mine USDT and you can also take withdraw from this website very easily and authentically. If you scroll down you can check out in 2800 users using this website almost 500 USDT total deposit, total withdrawal in just 2 days. You can check out each and everything about this mining platform. Total return 10% per day from this website. Minimum purchase 100 GH charger per with the help of 0.5 USDT. We have calculator available. If you can calculate, you can check out if you can purchase 1000 GH charger per, then you will be able to generate 0.05 USDT per day from this website, and in 7 days, 15 days, how much you can generate and net profit from this website. Each and everything is in front of you. If you want go on purchasing 10,000 GH cash report, then you will be able to generate 0.5 USDT per day from this mining platform. Total cost, daily payouts, you can check out each and everything of this mining platform. If more scroll down, you can check out latest deposit, latest withdrawal take place in this website every second in front of you. How can you reach it and how can you start your mining? I will provide the link in the description. You can also check out the comment section and you can reach here very easily and quickly. Just click on get started option now. You need to enter your first email address to start your early mining in this website. You can check out I can generate 0.05 USDT per day from this mining platform. Just click on withdraw option now. Enter your max amount of USDT you have in your account. Just click on confirm request now. You can see that this website going to pay us directly to our first pay account from this website within a second. You can generate this type of big profit from this free mining platform. You can also make deposit to increase your earning. You can also increase earning without deposit. Just click on deposit option now. Minimum you can purchase 1000 GH charger power and maximum as much as you want you can purchase from this website. If you go on purchasing 10,000 GH charger power, you need to make deposit minimum 0.5 USDT and maximum as much as you want you can purchase from this website. Just click on buy now option, then this website directly bring you into your first pay account to make your first deposit to enhance your earning to generate number of benefits from this website. Now here you need to select your currency of USDT like this one, then click on proceed to payment. You need to make deposit minimum 0.5 USDT and maximum as much as you want you can make deposit to increase earning to generate number of benefits from this money platform. Now if you go on referral system, you can increase your earning with the help of referral. You need to copy your affiliate link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you are going to generate number of benefits from this mining platform. Hopefully you like it, you love it.